Hello, welcome to my universal unit converter. So this was a fun app to make, and um, the first thing I want to point it out is that I made sure that I use state variables to use my input to get my input in, and also I made sure that most importantly that I was using my functions correctly. So as you can see down here, I had a function to validate the input, so to make sure if it's a valid number. So as you can see right here, I don't have anything. So if I don't have anything I try to convert, it's just going to be like this. But if I have like one right here, I have a panel, kind of like a, we're using the conversion card function right here that I made to be able to display all the different types of functions convert these conversions at the same time. So conversion to miles to kilometers right here. So for example, like 3.102 is like exact, right? No, around there is about 5 miles. So as you can see, that works. Or 5k. So like the 1 mile is 5k. If you want to do like a 32, so, 32 Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, that's correct. So yeah, that'll do all those, but I made it so that does it all at the same time, showing up in here in this little mini panel, and so that was really nice. And I also made sure that I used a double for like my decimals for each one, so that I properly used my decimals right here. But and then after that, I just made sure that I try to find like a nice color that I want to use for the whole background and make the UI look decent. Um, I don't really know why I chose brown. Maybe I'll choose a different color there, but maybe red. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much. Let's see what happens if I choose red instead. Let's maybe look better. Yeah, maybe I'll keep it. But yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple. It's just good to know how to call out these functions. I think that's the most important thing, is knowing how functions work in this type of example. But anyways, thank you so much. Have a good day.